Hello, mathematicians. Today we're going to be learning about whole numbers. More specifically, we're going to be learning about multiples. So to get us started, let's first talk about what a multiple is. So, a multiple is the product of a number by another number. Here we have an example. So 3 times 5, the 3 and the 5 are factors, and 15 is a multiple of 3 and 5. So we're going to talk a little bit more in depth about multiples and do some examples. So, what are the multiples of 4? In order to find multiples of 4, we have to take 4 and multiply it by other numbers. So, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, and 4 times 5 is 20. So here, we have multiples of 4. Now we could keep going if we wanted to, but the possibilities are infinite, so we're going to stop right here for the purposes of this example. So these are our multiples of 4, and we're just going to list them out. So our multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and here we have ... because our multiples could keep going on forever, okay? Again, the possibilities are infinite, so at some point we do have to stop for our example. All right, let's do another example. So what are the multiples of 5? In order to find the multiples, we're going to take the number 5 and multiply it by every number that we possibly can. So 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 4 is 20, and 5 times 5 is equal to 25. And here we have our multiples of 5. Again, we could keep going, but we're not going to for this example. So again, our multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and then ... because our multiples just keep going on forever. Alright, so what are our multiples of 7? So we have 7 times 1, which is 7, 7 times 2, which is 14, 7 times 3, which is 21, 7 times 4, which is 28, 7 times 5, which is 35, and these are our multiples of 7. Again, we could keep going if we wanted to, but for the purposes of this example, we are going to stop here. So we're going to list them out. So the multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, and then ... because our examples could go on forever. Alright, and our final example, what are the multiples of 12? So we have 12 times 1 is equal to 12, 12 times 2 is equal to 24, 12 times 3 is equal to 36, 12 times 4 is equal to 48, and 12 times 5 is equal to 60. Remember that you could keep going if you wanted to. And these over here are some examples of our multiples of 12. Alright, so we're going to list them out. So our multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, and then ... because our multiples could go on forever. Alright? So that's it for multiples.